Hi, my name is Alex CARLUCCI with Gustan Cho Associates. If you're in Florida and you got bad credit and people are saying they can't help you, please give us a try at Gustan Cho Associates. If you're in any state, give us a call, but I'm marketing to this Florida right now. Florida's a hot state. I do a lot of loans in Florida. I'm a licensed loan officer in Florida, so give me a call if you got any problems. We have no overlays here. What's an overlay? An overlay may be if you walk into a big bank and if you got a below a 620, they're not going to go above 50 DTI and FHA loan. We'll go to 56.9. If you got a Chapter 13 bankruptcy and you're currently in it, and you're just recently discharged, that's a downgrade to a manual underwrite. These big banks don't do manual underwrites. If your credit score is 520, FHA wants that. Big banks say no. 520, we can do it. That's an overlay. So if you got charge-offs, banks want you to pay it off or hit you for 5% of that debt. We don't. That's an overlay. We have no overlays here. Remember that. Down to 500 credit scores. We don't hit you for charge-offs. We go to the maximum DTI ratios. We do manual underwrites. There's no overlays here at GustonCho.com. So you guys in Florida, give me a call. I'm going to help you guys get into your first home. Call me, 630-915-7550. Thank you.